Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Figure emerges from stealth with the first images of its humanoid robot, similar to Tesla Optimus bot. Although before we start, if you find this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you crash the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and takes just a split second. If you want to show more appreciation, consider subscribing to my Patreon. Now, let's dive right into it. Here is a full body picture of this new humanoid robot from Figure. It's very similar to Tesla Optimus bot. Whatever you happen to think about the project or the company that built it, Tesla's Optimus prototype has revived the conversation around the form factor and efficacy and viability of general-purpose robots. Boston Dynamics founder Mark Rybert told me in an interview this week, "I thought that they'd gotten a lot more done than I expected, and they still have a long way to go." It also reopened the debate. When I spoke to Playground Global partner Peter Barrett last week, he was quick to point out that our bodies aren't exactly the hallmark of efficiency or product design, even if they made us sufficiently capable of outsmarting or outrunning a woolly mammoth back in the day. The flip side of that conversation certainly makes sense. However, we built our environment with us in mind, so it follows that we make robots in our image to perform our jobs. Figure, which comes out of stealth this week, is very much in the second camp. Back in September, we broke the news of the startup's existence. Founded by Archer co-founder Brett Adcock, who has also funded the company to the tune of $100 million, the startup is spending a lot of time and money to build a general-purpose bipedal humanoid robot. It's not an easy dream in any respect, of course. That no one has yet managed to crack the code certainly isn't for lack of trying. Among the things the new company brings to the table is a 40-person staff with excellent pedigrees. The team is ex-Boston Dynamics, Tesla, Apple, IHMC, Cruise, and Alphabet X. Collectively, we align on building a better future for humanity through the intersection of AI and robotics, Adcock tells TechCrunch. We've been fortunate to hire the best in the world at specific skill sets in AI, controls, electrical, integration, software, and mechanical systems. The team believes we are at a point where we can commercialize robots that have primarily been R&D'd over the last 2 decades. This is something a lot of our team has dreamt about doing for a long time. The robot's alpha build, which the company completed in December, is currently being tested in its Sunny Valley offices, so they have a working prototype of Figure. The images of the Figure 1 offered by the company appear to be renders similar in nature to what Tesla released alongside its robots announcement. Adcock explains, "We believe this to be at the forefront of any electromechanical humanoid in history. We are now working on our second generation humanoid robot, which will be feature complete for commercial operations. In the near term, we believe it's important to validate our humanoid in commercial operations as the critical milestone for the Figure team." And here is another picture of the humanoid robot. Now let's take a look at their website. They also have a master plan, as Tesla has, a roadmap to a positive future powered by AI. Brett Adcock, founder and CEO. "I'm 20 years into building technology companies, previously the founder of Archer, $2.7 billion IPO, and Vettery, $100 million exit. My sole focus is Figure. My ambition is to build this company with a 30-year view, spending my time and resources on maximizing my utility impact to humanity." Their mission: expand human capabilities through advanced AI. The company: "I believe that positively affecting the future of humanity is the moral priority of our time. The most meaningful impact can come from dedicating our resources to developing technologies. In the coming age, we will see great advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics, and by contributing in the early stages, we can set the course for a positive AI future for humanity. Hence the goal of Figure, to develop general-purpose humanoids that make a positive impact on humanity and create a better life for future generations. These robots can eliminate the need for unsafe and undesirable jobs, ultimately allowing us to live happier, more purposeful lives. Our company journey will take decades and require a championship team dedicated to the mission, billions of dollars invested, and engineering innovation in order to achieve a mass market impact. We face high risk and extremely low chances of success. However, if we are successful, we have the potential to positively impact humanity and build the largest company on the planet. Today, we are seeing unprecedented labor shortages. There are over 10 million unsafe and undesirable jobs in the US alone, and an aging population will only make it increasingly difficult for companies to scale their workforces. As a result, the labor supply growth is set to flatline this century. If you want continual growth, we need more productivity, and this means more automation. Thankfully, we are in the early stages of AI and robotics revolution. This presents the unique opportunity to substantially increase our production and standard of living. As automation continues to integrate with human life at scale, we can predict that the labor-based economy as we know it will transform. Robots that can think, learn, reason, and interact with their environments will eventually be capable of performing tasks better than humans. Today, manual labor compensation is the primary driver of goods and services prices, accounting for 50% of global GDP, $42 trillion per year. But as these robots join the workforce, everywhere from factories to farmland, the cost of labor will decrease until it becomes equivalent to the price of renting a robot, facilitating a long-term holistic reduction in costs. Over time, humans could leave the loop altogether as robots become capable of building other robots, driving prices down even more. This will change our productivity in exciting ways. Manual labor could become optional, and higher production could bring an abundance of affordable goods and services, creating the potential for more wealth for everyone. We will have the chance to create a future with a significantly higher standard of living, where people can pursue the lives they want. We believe humanoids will revolutionize a variety of industries, from corporate labor roles, 3 billion plus humans, to assisting individuals in the homes, 2 billion plus, to caring for elderly, 1 billion, and to building new worlds on other planets. However, our first application will be in industries such as manufacturing, shipping and logistics, warehousing, and retail, where labor shortages are the most severe. In early development, the tasks humanoids complete will be structured and repetitive, but over time and with advancements in robot learning and software, humanoids will expand in capability and be able to tackle more complex job functions. We will not place humanoids in military or defense applications, nor any roles that require inflicting harm on humans. Our focus is on providing resources for jobs that humans don't want to perform. We see three major business opportunities in the long term. More structured, less variability. Physical labor. 50% of global GDP is human labor, $42 trillion. Consumer household. 2.3 billion households worldwide. 700 million aging population in need of at-home care. Off-world, space exploration to build new worlds. Exciting. The solution. There are two schools of thought on how to solve real-world robotics. Build an environment specifically for robots, or reverse it and build robots for our human environment. We could have either millions of different types of robots serving unique tasks, or one humanoid robot with a general interface serving millions of tasks. At Figure, we believe general-purpose humanoid robots built for a human environment is the desired route to have the largest overall impact. For that reason, our humanoid robots resemble the human body in shape: 2 legs, 2 arms, hands, and screen for a face. With one product, we can meet the complex human environment with human-like capabilities and provide endless types of support across a variety of circumstances. In 20 years of studying and building companies, I've never seen a potential market size similar to what general-purpose humanoids can bring. Arriving there will require significant advancements in technology. Today, even everyday tasks, such as unloading the dishwasher, are still incredibly challenging for robots. We are heads down and focused on making substantive leaps in those areas of advancement. They include system hardware. Our team is designing a fully electromechanical humanoid, including hands. The goal is to develop hardware with the physical capabilities of a non-expert human. We are measuring this in terms of range of motion, payload, torque, cost of transport, and speed, and will continue to improve through rapid cycles of development, each cycle as part of a continuum. Unit cost. We are aiming to reduce individual humanoid unit costs through high-rate volume manufacturing, working towards a sustainable economy of scale. We are measuring our cost through the fully burdened operating cost per hour. At high rates of volume manufacturing, I am optimistic unit cost will come down to affordable levels. Safety. It's essential that our humanoids will be able to interact with humans in the workplace safely. We will design them to be able to adhere to industry standards and corporate requirements. Volume manufacturing. We foresee not only needing to deliver a high-quality product, but also needing to deliver it at an exceptionally high volume. We anticipate a steep learning curve as we exit prototyping and enter volume manufacturing. We are preparing for this by being thoughtful about design for manufacturing, system safety, reliability, quality, and other production planning. Artificial intelligence, building an AI system that enables our humanoids to perform everyday tasks autonomously, is arguably one of the hardest problems we face long term. We are tackling this by building intelligent embodied agents that can interact with complex and unstructured real-world environments. In summary, here is the first phase of our master plan. Build a feature-complete electromechanical humanoid. Second, perform human-like manipulation. Third, integrate humanoids into the labor force. We have the potential to alter the course of history and fundamentally improve millions of lives. It's time to build. And here are the 5 core values that we live by every day. Move fast and be technically fearless. Hesitation is the enemy of momentum. We are tackling today's most complex technological challenges by testing, experimenting, and taking calculated risks to embrace the unknown without fear of failure. Product first, mission focused. Our product and our mission are one in the same: to bring a commercially viable humanoid to the market. We are builders, designers, and engineers united by a commitment to that mission, avoiding distraction and unrelated activities to remain laser focused on shipping a safe, high-quality product. Aggressively optimistic, building future won't be an easy win. It will require decades of commitment and ingenuity. We are humbled by our mission and aspire to remain optimistic even in the face of enormous hurdles. Maximize future impact. We have what it takes to build the most groundbreaking company on the planet, to create an inspiring future for generations to come, with improved access to goods and services, safer working conditions, and more opportunity for fulfilling work. Our focus is on what we can achieve 5, 10, 20 years from now, not the near-term wins. Championship mindset. To address the extraordinary demands of our work, we believe in operating as a winning team. We are in the trenches together, collaborating in person and pushing each other to the highest level of performance. I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash the like button so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.